girl. Like, what are you talking about? Come on. Come on. Come on, Queen. You can do it, Queen. Guys, what? Guys, they look so much of an identical twins.
Wow.
Identical twins, but at what cost? You ask. Oh, I'm so sorry. Guys, I heard.
If I had money or Robux, I would commission someone to make us an intro so we don't have to say, "Hi, it's me, Ezra. Hi, it's me, Ab."
Gang, are you in the bathroom?
Why not?
Why are you in the bathroom?
Oh no. It's your twin.
Fuck you. It's your twin. You investigate. I'm coming with you. Guys, he's taking a shit.
Okay, you go first.
You go first.
Exactly my question, you stupid ass game. What are you doing here, lady?
Calling for you out here, don't remember me. I don't know who you are. Oh yes you do. Who are you? Oh, grandmother. Are you sure?
Hello, Granny. I guess.
I have work. I need to get done. You still don't have time for whatever kind of. Girl, why did you close the door?
You never know.
Look up there.
What did you say? What are you saying to me, old Granny?
Gang, I'm scary, gang.
Where did she go?
What do you mean? She's gone?
I think so.
Safety gun, come here! Anna, have you looked at the news lately? No, I just got done dealing with some weirdo. Why? You should look at it. Something really weird is happening. Oh yeah, girlie, we have an iPhone.
I was like, wait, what TV?
The way you were like,
That's where you see it.
breaking news.
This is your local news station, reporting live to inform you about a local missing person report. The missing person is an elderly woman by the name of Edna Hargrove. She was declared missing after staff at the retirement home she resides in noticed she was gone. Oddly enough, the retirement home is also the last known location of the children that were reported missing earlier today. Some close family members of Edna have told us a little about her. mentioning her love for
There's a
baking,
mouse.
as well as her past struggles with mental disorders. The local authorities are asking the public for help to find Edna, as well as the missing children. They also refuse to comment when asked whether or not they believe these cases to be related or not. If you have any information on the whereabouts of anyone, contact the authorities immediately.
Gang, what?
That's all we have to report for now. We thank you all for tuning in to this emergency news report.
I'm not dealing with you! I'm not dealing with the house anymore!
Bruh. Are you okay? Oh, why is his head like that? Why is his head like that? Look at his head.
Wait. I'm washing my hands, so I can't touch my phone right now.
Girl, I don't hear water. Are you like wiping your ass with your finger?
Wait, let me see.
His head is so deformed. Fine.
No, hi. Get away from me.
What?
So, I might get lowered like anytime soon because I'm like under 20%.
Oh my gosh, you're always low, but it's always something with that phone.
Because what I know, you don't. Something's wrong with my phone ever since it cracked. I've been getting really laggy in every game, like as in every game. And then, I know, I think it has something to do with my charging. Because you know how I charge?
Yeah.
Halimbawa, I'm charging my phone at 11%. 2 hours later, and it's still 24%.
I think there's something wrong with the battery health, you know what I mean?
I think it's because of ano kasi what's that? Basta. It's because my phone cracked or whatever.
No, actually, I think it's something more wrong with the battery health and the motherboard.
What's the motherboard?
You can search it up later. I'm too lazy to explain it.
Like mother tongue, like in school.
No, it's actually more. That's actually a motherboard is actually something in. It's actually like the LCD in your phone, but I'm not really sure if it actually is the LCD though.
Wait, my mom was wondering if you, diba, if you're a YouTuber, you can get money from getting popular.
Yeah.
How are you gonna share it with me now? Because,
I actually don't know.
like, you just give me half the money or...
I actually don't know, dude.
I bet the burger again.
Why does the burger have a bite in it?
I totally did. That's not me. Totally.
I mean, girl. I mean, I can give you the account for this, if you know what I mean.
Sigma Sigma, Sigma boys.
Are you okay? I mean, girly, I think I can give you the Gmail account for the YouTube account, so you can also have the half of the money interest. You know.
Oh. Why do I only have three friends? And one of them is my mom. Reference.
Jerry Connor mom. Jerry Connor mom. Jerry Connor mom.
Why do I only have three friends? One of them is my mom.
Maybe he's busy on his lunch break or something. Officer, you look so ugly.
It's an officer.
Hey there, officer. What could I do for you?
Why do I only have four friends? And one of them is my mom.
4? What do you mean 4?
Not friends, but in this game it's three. So. Nah.
What the fuck?
You. Who was that? Who the hell just walked past him?
For real?
Well, there was a person who was at the back of my shop not too long ago.
Why do you sound like a robot?
She looks like the person on the TV. Dot dot dot.
Dot, dot.
Right.
Stay safe,
I'll
Dot.
keep an eye around this area, Dot. Stay safe, Dot. I'll try to come by here again to check in with you, Dot. Wait, let me check my battery percentage. Oh, I'm 12%. Oh, goodness. What? Get away from me! Girl! Why are there plastic gloves under the container? Under the...
Oh, wow.
Again, lady, I love your grandchild! What's your name?
Okay.
My name's Ed.
Agatha?
No!
No, you're not. You're not Agatha.
Anyways, I just wanted to order a plain burger and a soda. What plain burger? Like just a bun? Oh. It looks like I forgot my purse at home. Okay, bye, lady.
Oh, it looks like her. What? No. If you don't have money, then you need to get out of here, lady.
Yeah, bye, Felicia.
What? Come on, I'll come back tomorrow and give you the money for it. I'm scared.
You need to get out of here before I call the police on you. Okay, fine. I'll leave. Yeah, you better. But I'll be back. Never. Girl! I'm gonna text my manager about you. You scary lady. Jerry, manager. Hey, hi. Look, there's a delivery truck at the back of the store. I need you to unload the truck. Nah, bro, you want me to do all that?
I'm scared.
Trash? food supply. What the hell?
Can we play another game?
Okay.